As we told you last night, the Trump Justice Department is rolling back another of President Obama's moves. This one concerns how and when police can seize private property. Here's Chief Washington correspondent James Rosen.
Flanked by leading law enforcement figures, Attorney General Jeff Sessions announced new Justice Department rules, relaxing restrictions placed by his predecessor on the ability of local authorities to seize the assets and property of criminal suspects and share them with federal authorities.
Takes back ill-gotten gains from them and prevent new crimes from being committed and weakens the criminals and their cartels.
One attendee invoked the equipment worn by a police officer credited with saving lives during the Orlando nightclub massacre.
That equipment, a Kevlar helmet, was obtained through asset forfeiture funding.
Civil forfeiture is a controversial practice because of cases in which homes, property, or bank deposits have been seized absent a trial or even an indictment.
It's hard for me to believe that a governmental entity which can expand its own riches by the acquisition of assets would place meaningful obstacles in the path of that acquisition.
Yet Sessions emphasized other new rules aimed at curbing unlawful seizures, including more stringent requirements for advance notice and follow-up reporting, plus an obligation to secure the approval of federal prosecutors when certain conditions aren't met.
Law-abiding people whose property is used without their knowledge or without their consent should not be punished or taken because of crimes that someone else has committed.
Law enforcement cheered.
In our first meeting with you, we talked about this issue as a priority.
But the impetus may have come from President Trump, who recently expressed incredulity that the Obama administration had curtailed the practice.
Asset forfeiture, we're going to go back on, okay? I mean, how simple can anything be?
Attorney General Sessions said over the last decade, 4 out of 5 civil asset forfeitures went unchallenged in court. His aides told us nearly 6 in 10 such proceedings involved weapons and ammunition, another 1/4 of them cash from drugs and other illicit enterprises. Brett?
James, thank you.